Alright, now, bakit ba importante or essential na si Jordan ay makapaglaro for Gilas? Coach Jerry, you mentioned 3 reasons kung bakit sana makapaglaro si Jordan for us. Ano yung mga reasons na yan?
Yes, of course. Siyempre, no-brainer yon. We need him for stability purposes. Siyempre, of course, a game, if he's around, added firepower yun eh. He's a constant threat sa pwesto na
So
yun.
that's number 1, no? He's a threat. Diba? Number 1, threat.
Versatility.
That's number 2.
Yes. He can play, 1, 2, 3 siguro kung you wanna go fast, slow, shooting, defensive purposes. NBA caliber to eh. Kung baga sa kawan, complete package eh. Tapos lastly, yung depth, lalalim ka. I mean, siyempre, with him around, medyo may madudukot ka sa pagdating sa mga crucial situation.
Alright, Coach Alan, your 3 reasons kung bakit it's important for Jordan Clarkson to be on the team.
Well, number 1 for me is his experience, no? Iba yung meron kang kasamang NBA player sa team with Blatch and him, no? Malaking bagay yon. Then second, yung stability niya to flexible siya, pwede he can play the 1, 2, 3 position. Matchup wise, medyo hindi tayo mahihirapan. At the same time, yung he brings stability nga, hindi nakafocus lang kay Blatch ang depensa. Pwede, kung ako ang kalaban ng Philippines, medyo pag-iisipan ko, may threat sa labas, may threat sa loob. And then lastly, yung nagbibigay ng boost, extra confidence to his teammates. Kasi iba yun eh, yung alam mo, ikaw, kasama mo si Jordan at saka si Blatch na naglalaro, iba yung feeling na yan eh. Medyo parang mabibigyan ng boost yung mga teammates mo to play their best pa.